Hello guys, you're welcome to Austin Global Cosmetic and Skincare today. Today is your first time, don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Okay, in a quick one, I always bring new update for you. I just want to show you, you'll be trying to look for a very good lotion that you can use to promise or you can use for yourself. I will advise you to use this snail white collagen brightening lotion. You see, look at it. You see, as a matter of fact, this one lotion is a lotion I know that is rich based on the ingredient. That's how you know a good lotion. Not just they just say this lotion is this, is that. No, content inside it make it rich. And then let's quickly go through the content and see if it is what I'm saying or what I'm about to say. Okay, they say the ingredient is a snail extract. Okay, water, botulin, okay, glycol, cetyl alcohol, glycerin, alpha butane, collagen, vitamin C, vitamin E, gluta. So like without being told, all these are called. You all know what collagen is, all right, and you all know what vitamin C is. You know what alpha butane is, and you know what vitamin E is, so glycerin and all that. So it's a total loaded package. Are you getting it? Yes, it's a total, so like in a smush they put they put all of these things. If you want to premix it also with your own additives, you can still premix it in a way that it will look more richer than the way it is. And this is one lotion that I know I could always tell you about that you should give a try. For those of us who are very prone to acne, I could advise you to use this because uh, it's you can see that there is antioxidant in it, all right, and there are lightening and other whitening and moisturizing uh, additives in it. So for you that have all those you know blemishes in your skin, I advise you to use this. The way you see the snake, the snail, they crawl, they just they crawl. Now so it go clean everything from your body. So I advise you to use this. I want to, for those of you who just coming in now, I want to read what it contains again. They say snail extract, water, butylene, glycerin, glycol, cetyl alcohol, alpha abutane, collagen. Oh Jesus, are you getting it? So then again, vitamin C, vitamin E. So you can see that it contains a lot. All these are very, very, very. It has more that I just. All these are very, very reliable additives that I know that if this cream contain wetin they say it contain, go ahead and grab it wherever you see it. Go ahead. Are you getting it? It will give you this unique tone that you've been looking for. Are you getting it? Because me, I the use and the promise. Most of any lotion I talk about, it should be a lotion that I have used. Not that I'm in here to make content. No. It's a lotion that I have used. Okay? Okwanum, that is one. Now I've talked about this smooth look lotion. This smooth look lotion is a whitening lotion. It might not that fast whitening lotion, or let me say it's a lightening lotion. I don't know if because it's my skin. I've once used it, so, and it happened that yes, it's very, very fervent, perfect, okay, yeah, for my body. So and then let's quickly see. It said, like, listen and you will be blessed. Okay, it said smooth look super whitening lotion is made especially for smoothing away of wrinkles, dark spot, skin discoloration, and other minor spots. This is especially blend of essential oil and active ingredient, not only smoothing the body. Sha! Like all these things, yeah. So one thing about good cream, you see, if you're using a good cream that doesn't, I always say, if it doesn't moisturize your body, madam, drop am, oga, drop am. It's not just all about whitening or lightening. Let that cream, let the tendency of you using it be appear. Carry the evidence like this lotion. Okay, wow, see how you do, see how you do. Okay, no side effect as a talk am so. Yes. Then for those of us who do promise, you can do a blend with this via this and organic. That is what you don't know also. Oh, I will drop the video of all that anyway. So you can just in a quick one use this to do a blend. Are you getting it? Because it moisturize, and any lotion that able to moisturize, if it's not whitening lightning, is a good lotion. There are some lotions you will use, they will just be there. It will look as if you have a stain, on top of your skin, like you have a stain just dried or maybe oily or whatever, but nothing more than that. You go sweat all the sweat finish, nothing. It might have good aroma. Say, yes, you have nice perfume. Not nice perfume, we're talking. Is it doing what the right on it? That is a lotion. Other than that, don't use it. But if it does what it do, fine, use it. Okay, fine. Okay, now I also get some good soap. For us, when we dey get some reactions, balance stuff for body, face and all that. You see this small fruity soap. Look at collagen. We have different type of collagen soap. This soap, yeah, I advise you to use them. Use them. A lady said, "Oh, you don't know how to say this. Just take heart. I can't use your soap. Can you just look?" Because say na me do am, because I be man. Because okay, you like my lotion, but I can't use your soap. But okay, can you just recommend? I said, "Madam, they're full am. I have to give her this one." Behold, the lady when the tell I can't use your soap, like, yes. As I give her this one, she rush am, she use am, it work for her. Are you getting it? But wait till she know this the same soap will work for us. Now I use take promise the other soap. Which I can use. So it's still the same thing. Alright? So rather I will enhance the soap. But other than that, you see in here in a quick one, you can see that yes, it's made of orange and some other additives as well, some nice oils and all that, So it's a fruity soap, not just like is it working? I know it will shop all those lakba from your body. It's very very nice. Are you getting it? Now, like I told you, this is snail white lotion. This is the soap also. Let me bring the lotion again. This is the soap. So it's very very correspondent. When you use both of them together, you go see say man, you're going somewhere. So other than that, if you know that yes, you can promise all this one, you can see all this thing, you can place an order via the number on your screen. We ship everywhere worldwide. UK, Europe, Asia country, US, Canada, name it, name the place. All right, we have access to everywhere right now, and we have our own logistic company. Anything you want ship, fish or meat or snail or anything you want ship, we ship. Clothes or just tell us, we ship for you. All right, and then again, I just want you to understand this. I'll be telling you about this powder that is trending everywhere. This black magic powder. We have black magic renew also, the powder also. So like this black magic renew powder also, like 3 days, that one at 3 days. Yes, if you no work, I refund your money to you. Has anybody told you that before? If it doesn't work, I refund your money to you. That is how very very sure I am. But don't forget, now only me they sell them, because as I tell you now, you go say, because okay, let me go find it somewhere. You go buy and they not go work and they not go refund your money. But the one you buy from me, 3 days. Yes, you can use it for soap. You can use it for soap. 3 gram, you go use that for 10 kg. Okay, make we not just over exaggerate. 3 gram, use them for 5 kg. You can use it for any kind of, you can use it for your oil, just soak it overnight. That is the powder for you. All right, we've come to the end of this review. Trust me, us the global cosmetic and skincare, we see everywhere. You know what I mean? It is what it is, baby. So we just doing all this for real, for you and I. Promising is still the best. If you say about organic takes time, but all the same, it's still the okay, right? Adequate.